stream of leaks for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 has only recently started to flow, with the latest revealing what is supposed to be a full spec sheet. That means that we also have some information on the Z Flip 4's camera system, for which there was basically no word mentioned anywhere up until now. What this alleged spec sheet shows us is a little less noteworthy than one would expect. Unlike its more pricier sibling, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Flip 4 is not set to come with any hardware improvements when it comes to its cameras. At least based on this supposed spec sheet, Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy Z Flip 4 this summer, and so far we have gathered several bits of the spec sheet. We expect a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, smaller crease and a new hinge, as well as a larger cover screen. The latest details comes from Sam Mobile stating the new foldable will have a 512GB storage option. This would be the first time Samsung put so much storage in its clamshell smartphone. All three previous iterations maxed out at 256GB. The source also confirms there will be no microSD slot, which is hardly a surprise since all the predecessors skipped on the card slot. The new storage option on the Flip 4 will naturally come with a higher price tag, it to be a $1,100. The base price should remain at $1,000, though previously we heard that Galaxy Z Fold 4 will also get an extra spacious version with 1TB storage.